So here we are down in parking lot C. Got a tour bus, and over here we got one nice B RV and a second B RV and a third B RV and a fourth B RV. We got ourselves an RV rally, a BRV rally. So I'm gonna go on over here. I've walked the dog and make myself a snack, and I'm gonna drive down to the King Tut exhibit. The four coffins. The largest, next largest, third largest, fourth. The largest coffin. Okay, now this was really worth it. This is so cool. All this stuff came out of Tutankhamun's chamber, burial chamber. Now the outside of the building is showing you what to expect when you get on the inside of the building. It's all reproduction, but boy, I mean to tell you, it's good. It is well done.